Keep trying, because I don't know.
Tree, turn on!
Maybe if you believe, and use your magic. Use your magical powers. Think real hard, Mackenzie.
Yep.
And then say, please turn on. Ask Santa.
Please turn on!
You did it! I'm recording it. Now we have proof that you're magic.
Please, tree, turn on! Don't count.
You did it.
Tree, turn on!
How do you do that?
I just have the magic word.
Look in the camera. Tell everybody, say I'm magic.
I'm magic.
Make it go off.
Tree, turn off.
It was already going off.
Please, tree, turn on.
How do you do that?
I just have the magic word.